Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Hello, good morning and welcome to another episode of Magical Morning. Today we are going to have a telekinesis exercise for us to use the power of our mind kung meron nga or wala. Ang gagamitin natin is isang tabo ng tubig and isang dried twig. Now let's start kasi yung twig niya is hindi na siya nagmumove pati yung water, and as you can see, yung sa water is stable siya, wala siyang presence ng air. Now I'm going to place my hand over the toothpick, yan. And now I am visualizing the toothpick in my mind for it to move clockwise. Nag-move na siya. As you can see, the toothpick is moving along with my mind in a clockwise motion. This is pre-recorded kasi ang hirap gawin nito eh. Hindi siya agad-agad as in presto magic. Kailangan mag-visualize ka and yung energy sa mind mo, padadaanin mo sa kamay mo in the form of chi ball, kagaya sa akin dahil may reiki ako sa katawan ko. I'm using my right hand dahil ito yung nagpapalabas ng Reiki energy sa body ko. Yan na siya. Okay. I think I made my point here about telekinesis, and with daily practice, everyone can have telekinesis. And also, you can go to Inner Mind, look for Sir Jaime T Licauco for you to be certified and instructed on how to do this properly, and also to Mysterium Philippines for other psychic abilities. Yan siya. Thank you.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway, and in the driveway